In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or fix account numbers in QuickBooks. If you need to organize your accounts more clearly or update the numbering system in your books, QuickBooks gives you a simple way to turn account numbers on and then edit them directly in your chart of accounts. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, straightforward way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to the top right corner of QuickBooks and click the gear icon. This is where many of your settings and management tools are located. Once that menu opens, select Account and Settings. This will take you into the main area where you can adjust how your company file works. From there, open the Advanced section. Inside Advanced, look for the Chart of Accounts area. This section controls how your accounts are displayed and managed. Click Edit in that section and you should see the option to enable account numbers. Turn that setting on. This is the key step, because if account numbers are not enabled, you won't be able to add or update them for individual accounts. After enabling account numbers, click Save to apply the change. It's important to save before moving on so QuickBooks updates the setting properly. Once that's done, you can return to the gear icon again in the top right corner. Click it, and this time select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts are listed, including assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and more. Now find the account you want to update and click Edit. Since account numbers are now enabled, you'll be able to enter an account number for that specific account. Type in the number you want to use, then save your changes. You can repeat this same process for any other accounts that need to be fixed or updated. A helpful tip here is to stay consistent with your numbering format. If you're assigning numbers across multiple accounts, using a logical structure can make your reports easier to read and your records easier to manage. This is especially useful if you work with an accountant or need cleaner financial organization. And that's all it takes to change or fix account numbers in QuickBooks. Once the setting is turned on, updating individual accounts becomes very easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your chart of accounts organized more effectively.